Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change header color in Ms. Word. We open the Word document. There, double-click on the header to enable it. When doing so, from the Insert menu, click on Shapes and select the rectangle shape. Adjust this shape in the Word header. After that, from the menu, Shape Format, in Shape Fill, you can choose the color for the header. Exit this header to check how it has turned out with color. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.